Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this here. This is whatever it's called, Ferrisland, and it's a fountain. And I took all the pieces out of the box because there was so much styrofoam in there and it was getting everywhere, all these little foam pieces, and they're still everywhere. And if I want to keep my relationship, I have to keep everything clean. So, okay, so what we got here, so it comes with, I guess, this piece here. It comes with this ball, which I think is just gonna have the water kind of going on it. It's a fountain of some sort. It's got these rocks, and then this is the base. So let's check this all out and see what it looks like. Comes with a little pump here as well, so and a light. So cool. Comes with all this stuff. Guess this is going to be the instructions of how to do it. The assembly instructions. So here are the instructions if anybody needs it. So I am going to figure this out myself. So let's see. What do we do here? This is going to, the light will go under this. Let me put this ball. It's hard. This is a ball. Don't want to break it. So, the light goes around the pipe. Pretty simple enough to figure out. And I guess it only goes up just so high. There we go. And then the pump goes inside there. I'll show you in a second what I did here to get it. So then the pump goes in there. So just like that. And then where's the wire gonna go? I guess the wires goes through. Is there a hole on the side somewhere? I don't see one. Oh, there's the little notch back here. So that's where the wire is gonna come out. So that's it. So it's gonna go like this and this and this. It'll sit in there, it'll sit there, and you guys can actually see it now if I do this, and then it'll plug in, and we should have a fountain. So let's give this a try and see how it looks, see if it is enjoyed by me or others. And then, crap, it's already not. Well, I'm gonna just have to wing it on this, and let's fill it up with some water. No idea how much to put in there. Oh, let's try this again. Okay, so I've got it here now. I don't know, there's a switch on here. I guess that's gonna tell me how much volume is coming out. You can adjust the switch on the pump, so that's gonna tell you how much water comes out. So, yeah. So there, that'll be the most. Sorry, I'm gonna put it over here. I'll put the ball on it, and let's see what happens. And there it is. So this is what it does. So it's a pretty good amount of water coming out of it. Let's turn off the lights here, see what it looks like. So it's got some color lights coming out of it. So kind of cute, little heart and fountain there. Guess it's gonna need water in it periodically, but it's cute, I like it. And then it's got these little rocks. I guess we put these little rocks around here to make it look even nicer. Let me do that. A little Zen-ish kind of fountain we got going here. Super cute. I don't know if it will be loved by all, but it is loved by me. So how cute is this? And you can play with the little ball in there. So I think it's cool. I like it. Thumbs up for me. You saw it within like 4 or 5 minutes. I got it going from nothing to all the way set up, and we're going. So it's super easy to put together. So I like it. So links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.